Satcom Direct and Gulfstream Aerospace come together to showcase the innovation and ease of installation with the Plain Simple Antenna System. Plain Simple from Satcom Direct is the first network integrated terminal designed exclusively for business aviation. This minimally invasive design features two line replaceable units, simplifying installation while providing the ultimate flexibility with a seamless, cost-effective transition path as technology advances. The 12-inch tail-mounted antenna links with Satcom Direct compact modem located in the unpressurized area of the fuselage, giving back valuable cabin space. The Plain Simple Antenna System delivers reliable, global, high-speed connectivity powered by the Intelsat FlexExec satellite network. Shorter install times, reduced footprint, simple to upgrade, and lower costs. Satcom Direct Plain Simple Antenna System is dedicated to making time spent in the cabin as productive and enjoyable as possible.